here's what happens when you're out of town. You come home, you sit down and relax, have a cup of coffee, but you have a Wantable box that is calling your name. Hi everyone, it's Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a unboxing and a try on of Wantable. Okay, I have to admit, my last couple Wantables were not great and I was gonna give them a break, but they had a special. I don't know if they still do. It was a $25 edit where anything that you keep, you get a $25 off of that purchase. So I'm like, okay, well, let's order one. I mean, it's a $20 styling fee. So I thought, well, it's worth taking the chance. And let me tell you why. I went to the mall when I was in Ohio and I was like, oh, let's see if I can find something on sale. Let's see if I see anything that I gravitate towards. Give me an idea of what I might need to transition into spring. I walked out of there with nothing, and that's not unusual. Yep, that's how I shop. I usually walk out with nothing unless there's a really good sale and you're like, oh, this is cute for the price. Yes, you know, and then you buy it. But no. So that's why I love these boxes, because I don't have to make the decision other than when they come to my house and I get to do a try on. Okay, I am going to stop rambling and let's just see what I've got. I'm gonna show them to you real quick, and then I'll do a try on. All the information will be on the screen and in the computer, I guess I should have finished that cup of coffee. It'll be in the description. So if you want to order a Wantable box, I'll also have a referral link in there. And I think that's it. Oh, all right. I just had like what am I saying moment. What's nice about Wantable is shipping is free to you, and any returns. Did I tell you the styling fee is $20, and anything you purchase from that box at $20 is applied as towards that purchase. Man, I should not have stopped drinking that coffee. I should get back there and finish it. But they provide an envelope for you to send everything back in, and they also give you a choice if you want it to go through the post office or through UPS. So UPS works out better for me because I'm always there, since that's where my mailbox is. And let's see, that's it. Let's get started. Oh, one more. It's like, okay, Barbara, go back to the coffee. If you keep 5 or more items, you get an additional discount. I think it's 20%, but let me double check. I'll put it on the screen. All right, let's look real quick and I'll give you my first impressions. This feels nice. This is cute. It looks like a sweatshirt. Look at the colors. It's like a metallic gold. That's pretty cute. As long as it's not too short. It feels nice. It doesn't feel real heavy. It doesn't feel real thin. Of course, pricing always plays a part in that. All right, so look how cute from the front. It's a little short, but with the right high-rise jeans, I would be okay with that. So cute. Here, right? You agree? Cute? Oh, goodness. Look at the back. It's open. Oh. Whoops, didn't drop that on purpose. Oh. Darn. It's like a twist in the back. But look at the beautiful colors. Wow, love these colors. All right, well, I don't know. Ooh, what's this? This looks awful little. Oh, it's a tank. It scared me for a minute. I thought it was leggings. That's nice. What's this? Animal print. Oh, that's cute. Where's the front? Let's see. I guess it goes this way. It's a cow neck. It's nice and soft. Cute. Possibility. Oh, jewelry. Those are cute. Look at these. Those are cute. I like those. Depends on the price. Jeans. Dear John. Oh, Dear Johns don't usually fit me. What are they? What size? Can't see. Oh, they're distressed in the knees. Darn it. I love distressed jeans, but not in the knee. And then there's another pair. These are darker. These are thick. These are heavy. I like the bottom. Are they attached? No. What are these? Dear John also. Okay. And they are distressed in the knees. I mean, come on. Did I really need 2 pair of Dear Johns and distressing in the knees? Really? Oh, goodness. Oh, well. Let's do a try on. You never know till you try them on. Oh, wait. Before we do that, you guys saw my Trunk Club box? I ordered this Sweaty Betty jacket and I exchanged it actually for a medium. I think this one fits me so much better. I don't even have to pull it up here before I get it on my hips. Just fits better. Got the pockets inside and out. I love this. Love, love, love this. Okay, let's get to the try on. Okay, this sweater is so super soft. I mean, it is really, really nice. It's a shame about the back because I love the colors on this. I like the print. It is kind of long sleeves. There's no extra cuff or anything. It's just the stitching on the end. Love the colors of this. It's a little short, which would have kind of thrown me, although as soft as it is and wearing it with high-rise jeans, I think I could get away with this one. But this tie-dye top is $59. And then the surprise is in the back, if you want to call it that. Yeah, where it twists. That just kind of throws it off for me. I can't even imagine. It does feel cooler back there, actually, even though I have a shirt on underneath it. Yeah, it's just not my thing for me. But my stylist, Sarah, said that you could wear it in the back or in the front. So I'm going to try it on. I'm going to turn it around and see if I like it any better. I might. Never know. So $59, more than likely this is going to be a no because of the open back, but we'll see. All right, let's see what else. Oh, let me show you the earrings. The earrings are really cute. They're you don't even realize you have them on. They're so lightweight and they're on sale $21. $21. Yes, please. Let me show it to you a little closer up. Thing is that the loop in the back, it's really long. It seems longer than normal, but I don't know, $21 are pretty cute. I could see me getting a lot of wear out of these. So these might be a keeper, actually. Let's talk about these Dear John jeans. Sarah, if you're watching, you knew to size me up. Yep, I used to be a 28, now I'm a 29. Happens, you know, what are you gonna do? But they feel too big. Probably because I'm used to wearing jeans that are a little too tight and probably too small. But these are the boyfriend jeans, and the cuff does roll down. They're $88. They're high rise. Boyfriends are usually loose from what I understand. There's so much extra material right here, like a lot of material. Like I got nothing to fill that in. So that's not gonna work. And then you can see at the bottom, I mean, it looks nice cuffed or straight leg, which I like, but look at where the split is, right in the knee, the darn knee. Okay, the other thing about these jeans is they're it's a button fly. It's all buttons, which I didn't realize. The jeans, I think boyfriend jeans are supposed to be loose, right? Yeah, they are supposed to be like a loose fit. These just feel like, no, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's just way too much material here. So the jeans are gonna be a no. They're not comfortable, but I like the look of them. Other than that distressing in the knee. Let me turn this shirt around and show it to you real quick. Be back. Okay. I think it would be cute this way if it wasn't for this. This part, okay, let's just say no. This isn't gonna work. This is just, no. Actually, I think my granddaughter, how much I said? $59, no. I was gonna say maybe my granddaughter, one of my granddaughters would like this, but I don't think so. Let's move on. Outfit number 2. All right, before I back up, let's talk about this top. This is a textured crew neck sweater, they call it. It's on sale for $34. And here it is, a little closer up. It's got a metallic look to it. The sleeves are loose, 3/4, and they are loose. I don't like the feel of that. I would probably continuously do that. It's got the nice trim at the bottom. It's got this little, it's like 2 pieces. At first I thought I had it on backwards. I have to tell you, my little grandson, Bennett, who turned 6, he went to school. When he came home, he had on his shirt backwards. I didn't notice that before he left. So it's a little short. Even with it on sale for $34, this does not wow me. It looks like, yeah, dolman. I like dolman sleeves, but this just doesn't, how short is it? No, the length's okay. It's not great, but it's okay. Nothing wow about it. I think it's the crew neck. I don't really like crew neck tops. So maybe that's it. All right, let's talk about these jeans. These are the Dear John girlfriend jeans. So they're different. They are a zip front. The other ones were button. They are the ankle, which I don't know. I think I'm coming around to ankle. These would be okay. I like them with the tennis shoes. It's got that darn split right in the knee. These are $88 also. And they fit much better than the boyfriend jeans. There's not all that extra material right here. So both of these are gonna be a no. So got another chance, so hang on. Before I show you the last top, I wanna show you the tank that Sarah sent me. This is reversible, and actually this will really come in handy because I wanna start wearing tanks underneath my tops. I probably stay warmer that way. I notice my daughter does that. So, and the ones that I have are really, actually are too small, but so this one, it's $30. I know I can get these cheaper at White House Black Market. They have them on sale all the time. And those are the ones that I usually buy, and they are reversible, just like this one. This one is very low, very stretchy material. And then the back is low. So you can wear it the other way around. But for $30, let me show you how long it is. Put my jeans back on. My jeans are, what are they? Royalty for me. I got them in a box. I don't know. Love the way they fit. So this is pretty long. Very low. Okay, let me put the cowl neck top on. I'll be right back. I'm liking this zebra print cowl neck pullover. It's a nice length. This would look good with leggings. Like the length, there's no pockets. I keep thinking that there should be pockets. It's so soft. It is really, really soft. It's thin, but soft. Let's see, what's fabric? I look because I'm like, what is this made out of? Rayon, polyester, and spandex. It's made in the USA, and it says hand wash, but This girl's thrown it in the washer and it'll go in the dryer. $69. That's pricey to me, but when you think about it, I will wear this a lot to stay warm in these cold days that we've been having. They've been getting warmer, but they're still kind of cold. This is just a nice everyday top for me to wear. So this I am keeping. It's a size small. I like it. I think the neckline I like. It has the drawstrings, which I like. I don't know. What can I say? I like it. Okay, let me tell you guys. I forgot to, because I didn't like this, I didn't pay that much attention to it. It has pockets in the front. Maybe you guys noticed, and I didn't. They kind of blend really in, right here, which is kind of nice. Didn't even see those. Didn't notice them. I think because I didn't like it. But what am I trying to say? Okay, so you have to keep I think it's 5 items to get additional discount. I'm keeping 2 items. I'm keeping this top for $69, and I think I'm gonna keep the earrings for $21. I like them. I keep forgetting that I have them on. They're so light. They're good for everyday wear. And that's it. That is my Wantable box. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.